All right, if you don't like seeing the Windows spotlight and the ads and all that other junk on your computer's lock screen, here is how you would turn it off. So first, we'll go to Settings. I'm going to click the Start menu and go to Settings, or you can hold down the Windows key and press the letter I on your keyboard. That also opens up the settings. Then on the left, we're going to go to Personalization. And here, look for the Lock Screen option. So we'll click into that. And then all the way at the top, where it says Personalize your lock screen, you probably have it set to Windows Spotlight. What you'll want to do is switch it to either Picture or Slideshow. And here, you could just pick an image that's going to be displayed on your lock screen. Now, one thing that's good to know, there's a little hidden add toggle here, and this step is crucial, because right now, it'll still leave all the text widgets available. So make sure to uncheck this box here that says Get Fun Facts, Tips, Tricks, and More on your lock screen. I don't like fun, so uncheck, boom, done. Once that's unchecked and we have a picture set up, you will now have a nice, clean, minimalistic lock screen on your computer. That's it. Click that like button if this video helped, share with a friend who should clean up their lock screen, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.